heard that? That's a boat. It's a boat, I think.
That camera, they noticing it. What's up, y'all? We up in this Fontainebleau State Park, about to hit these abandoned cabins up in the, well, they up in the water from Hurricane Ida, but we got to make sure we don't get caught by the Rangers, so let's go.
So it looks like we're the only people back here right now. Me and Brennan are about to dart. We're gonna start at the back end and then make our way forward.
All right, so let's, I say let's just keep it cool till we get around this corner to make sure nobody's coming. It looks pretty dead back here, guys. I think we're the only ones out here, but we're gonna see what's up. Dude, oh wow, they got messed up bad. That's a whole new deck they got just to get up there. So that one's gonna be easy to get on, and all the rest of them look like.
We're going in like cabins. These cabins used to be vacation rentals that people could stay in on the park, but Hurricane Ida messed them up.
They look pretty cool though. I bet this was really cool when
I know.
It was all.
This is insane.
Oh wow, they go way over there too.
I know.
And I guess this was all cut and nice to like walk through. They got like a little light right there. It's like this is chill.
Yeah, we gotta watch our step. This is... Alright, so we're entering the first cabin. Like I said, we walked past the first ones because we don't want to be spotted.
Yeah, you see all that wood's covering us? It'd be a lot harder for them to see us. Look, see where the screws are going in? That means there's a board under there, so just in case, walk with the screws.
I think I got that this time, Brennan. I learned my lesson from our last adventure. As you can see, look, there's another one. These are all just completely not in use right now because of Hurricane Ida. I don't know if they're trying to redo them. Brennan, this one looks like they were either doing it before Hurricane Ida hit,
or they started doing it now. I mean, I tell you, like that, there's no way that would see. Some workers built that to get to it. This was all the same thing. We just got messed up.
This is insane, guys.
I wonder if that was the sewage line. Oh no, it's probably these pipes.
God.
But I will say, this is nice, man. And look, now you got a whole concrete pathway out here. There was a railing on it. Oh, look, there's the railing. And
look at all of these. These are all just...
This is crazy, y'all. Imagine staying out here, like for a weekend or whatever. Just, you got this house right here, with everything you would need in it, and then you walk out to the front porch, this is what you see. It is pretty shallow, though.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't want to...
You don't want to get drunk and fall off.
Yeah, you would... That would do one on you.
You're really going to get hurt. Look how many of them are, though.
I know.
Golly.
That's what I'm saying. We might be here for a while.
Well, I guess let's go ahead and enter the first one and see what they got. So this is the first room that you walk into when you enter the cabin. And I'm guessing this is more like the living room area. This would have been the kitchen because they got the microwave and all these cabinets. No open flames of any kind. No grills, fryers, or open flames of any kind. Well, how the hell do you cook? I'm guessing you can only use electric?
This is crazy. Yeah, they might be redoing these. I mean...
Maybe so. So this is the hallway. And then you got, oh, a bathroom. Which, to tell you what, they still kind of look pretty good. Pretty nice sized tub for being a little...
This is kind of reminding me of like the video we did at the asylum, the apartments.
Oh yeah, I wish we could have got in there more.
Yo, I'll link that video to Brennan's when we went and explored the asylum. They were like, it was an old woman's mental asylum, and they were built into apartments.
Yeah, that's when that old guy came up on the side.
He almost telling us the whole story.
Yeah, that guy looked creepy. Y'all, and so that was the bathroom, and it looks like there's two bedrooms, so one to the right, nice little bedroom, and then you got a little spot to hang your clothes for the weekend or the time you're here, and then put all the other stuff that you want. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting like, well, just like you said about the mental asylum, yeah, I'm kind of getting like Yeah, when you're in the mental hospital vibes. Like, it's just like, this is weird. And then this is the other room on the other side, which is set up exactly the same as you can see. Hangers for your clothes, and then I guess more racks for like pants and stuff.
I feel like all of them are probably going to be like similar, but some of them do look bigger, so.
I ain't never seen no attic like this. Check this out. What kind of attic? Oh, ladder is it?
Walk out.
This one and one up in front. I think this was just the whole thing. I just wish the water was deep.
Yeah, I know, it's really shallow. So we're currently trying to scope out if there's any rangers around us. I think we went through 4 cabins already.
Yeah,
4?
4.
But we're trying to get across because there's a blue and white one that the layout looks completely different. We're just trying to like gun it because I mean.
It looks like there's like an office thing over there, and I can see one of the little Polaris things they drive around here. But just like I said, we got the footage from that now, so now we ain't got nothing to lose. So let's give them some excitement.
Yeah, I know. Let's go. Oh God.
I say let's just walk over here and stay kind of behind these dumpsters.
Okay.
Oh, there might be something right there. Because them trees are kind of blocking us too. Oh, there's a camper back here too.
Ah. Dropped my phone.
So which one do you want to just run to them?
Yeah, I think we go to the purple one. Or the white one. White one, probably.
Over there at the end?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just go.
Okay. God damn. I think we did it.
Hell yes. Now we can't get seen. We're pretty blocked.
I think these are the last.
They got a bunch of them. What, they got like 15 of them?
Seems like it.